Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. And I'm Rachel. So go ahead and give it a thumbs up, please. Hit the subscribe button because you are in for a treat, okay? Check out my links below. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make fried steak in the deep fryer. Yes, battered fried steak in the deep fryer. You're going to say like, what? You lost your mind now, Rachel. Oh no. I'm going to show you how to get that done, and you talk about good. Let me just stop and just show you, okay? Alright, let's do it. Okay guys, so I have 1 egg in here. We're going to make an egg wash. And then I'm going to add milk to that. Okay? You can add milk or water. Don't worry about how much, you just want enough to make a loose batter. Well, a loose liquid. So I would say I added maybe 1/4 of a cup of milk. Okay, these are the seasonings. Garlic herb I'm using for the steak. And we're doing ribeye steak fried. Black pepper. Ground garlic. And Lawry's seasoning salt. Okay, all those seafoods are seafood. Oh my goodness, I'm thinking about seafood because that's what I want for Mother's Day, okay? All these seasonings are already in the egg wash. It's already in the flour that's right here, as you can see. So now I'm going to just put it on the steak, okay? So now we've seasoned everything that we're going to be using. That's the Lawry's, garlic. Leave that open because I got to do the other side. Black pepper. And garlic and herb. Okay, we're going to flip this over. Do this side. Alright, so now here's our flour, right? Just going to mix that up so that all the seasoning is combined in the flour. Now we're going to just dip the ribeye in the flour on both sides. Okay, now let's fry it. Ready? It's oh, no. I got to do the egg wash. Almost forgot. Okay, so we're going to put it in there and then do the other side. So now both sides have the egg wash on it. So first we did the flour, now we did the egg wash. We're going back to the flour. Okay, now I'm going to fry it. Here we go. It's going in the deep fryer. Washing my hands. Okay, I'm going to turn it over. Wow. Okay, why don't I give you the word of the day? Okay, the word of the day is, so you have time, right? Time is on your side now. Everyone's home due to the infection nationwide, so we have nothing but time. Nothing but time. And so now you can figure out what you want to do with your life, where you want to go when this all lifts, how you want to live your life, and you can look back and see if the way you've lived in the past is working for you now. If you want to make any changes, time. You have time now to figure life out. Time is on your side. That's the word of the day. All right. Okay, guys. I just turned it over again. And I want to take a temperature. See where we're at. Okay, it stopped at 144. I think I want to get that to maybe another minute. Okay, I think that'll do it. Okay. Cut the deep fryer off. I want to take another temperature. Okay, we're at 145. That's good with me. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to plate that up and let you take a look at that. 1 second. Okay, guys, this is a deep fried ribeye steak, and I want to show you the middle. So you can see the middle is a little pink inside. That's how I like mine. So if you like yours more, you can cook it more, okay? But I just wanted to show you that. So now let me get a taste. Oh, you can't see me. Okay, let's take a taste. It's still tender and juicy. And the crunch from the fried batter on it is good. Well, pretty good. And it's medium rare. That's how I like it. You have to try yours, okay? Okay, give it a thumbs up. I brought it home to you. Check out all the links below. Please subscribe, okay? Look what I just did for you. Please subscribe. Okay. Share the video, my people. Thank you. Be blessed.